what do we have for them today, Sama?
I don't know.
You don't know? How come she doesn't know? Alright, we are going to show you how to do a Taiwanese fried chicken. Woohoo!
Fried chicken?
Yes, it's very yummy. This takes me back to the time when I was still pretty small, like your age.
And then first time you tried?
Yeah, that was the first time I tried the Taiwanese fried chicken. When I was around your age, we went to Taiwan with the family, and it's actually a street food there. Yeah, it's a street food.
Street food.
Yeah, and then of course it evolved during the years and then became part of the like a main dish. Yeah, but it's really yum, and it has the crunchy texture and the salt and pepper. The final touch will show everyone how to do it. Are you ready?
Yes!
Alright guys, it's time to show you how to do the Taiwanese chicken. So, what do we need? Of course, the chicken itself, and we are using a chicken breast. Let me show you how to prepare it. Let's go. So with this chicken breast, guys, I have 3. We're just going to slice it in the middle. There's no more tenderloins. Yeah, I already removed that one. But you need to cut it in the middle. Alright.
It looks like a taco.
We're going to basically butterfly it.
Butterfly? Oh, now it looks like a love heart.
Yeah, like a love heart, yeah.
Butterfly it.
Yeah. So, we're going to do that for the 3 chicken. I don't have a mallet, so I'll just use the rolling pin. Alright, that's it. We have 3 chickens in here.
That one's right.
Alright, I'll put that aside. That was pretty exciting, guys.
Yeah.
Pounding the chicken. Alright, moving on. The next step is for us to prepare the marination for the chicken itself. So, someone here will show us how to do it.
So first we need to pour the soy. The sugar.
Yep.
And we will pour the spice.
It's actually a 5 spice powder. Yep.
5 spice powder?
Yeah.
5 spices!
Next is Chinese wine.
I knew it was Chinese wine. I was like, what?
For the next one,
Garlic.
garlic.
It smells like garlic, so I knew it was
I'll get a spoon for that.
sticks. And ginger.
Yeah.
I don't think we need spoons. It can just slide down smoothly.
Yeah, someone will whisk it. Alright guys, now that Summer has already mixed the marination, what are we going to do, Summer?
We're going to put the chicken in.
We're going to put the chicken in, that's correct. We'll set it aside for around 10 to 15 minutes so just it absorbs the flavor before we get frying. Alright?
We have to fry it.
Alright guys, while we are waiting for the chicken, we have here the salt and pepper seasoning, in which we will dust it when the chicken is
Ready.
fried already. So after frying, we put a bit of that seasoning and then perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so what do we have in here? We have SZECHUAN pepper.
Pepper.
Yeah.
I've never seen that pepper before.
Yeah. We have 5 spice seasoning.
5 spice seasoning. Again?
Yeah. And of course, salt. That's it. You only need those 3.
Alright guys, our salt and pepper seasoning is ready. Here it is.
Chicken is already ready. We've taken it out from the marination. So we're now going to show you how to do the breading. Alright, the chicken is ready to go. Let's fry it. Alright guys, good times ahead. The chicken is ready. The salt and pepper seasoning is ready as well. So Sama, time for food tasting. Let's go. So I'll just put a bit of it, like a bit, not much.
Because it might be spicy.
Because Sama doesn't like spicy. Yeah, so I...
So first.
And on the other side.
On the other side too.
Just a bit, not too much.
The crunchy bit.
You hear that?
Or everything. Oh yeah, here it's crunchy.
Taiwanese fried chicken. Mmm.
Oh, hot.
Really
Hot.
hot? Still hot? Yeah, it's fresh from the fryer.
I like this.
Alright, it's really crunchy. The only thing maybe if you need more time to marinate it, go ahead. I just left it for around 15 minutes, so if you want it longer, it should be alright. Other than that, texture wise, chicken is not dry. Yeah. Again, don't forget to fry it twice. The first fry is just to basically cook it, and the second one is to give that outer crunchy texture. So how was it, Sama?
It's delicious. I'm going for one more.
Alright, well, she's having a go at it. Guys, if you like this video, please leave your comments down below, please. Alright guys, while Summer is having a go at it, please don't forget to subscribe at our channel and hit the bell as well, alright? And
you'll be notified every time we have a new episode.
yes, you will be notified. And please leave your comments down below, and please share it with your family and friends. So again,
don't forget to like. Don't forget about the like.
don't forget to like, because I want to eat the chicken. Yeah. So this is our version of the Taiwanese fried chicken. If you make any of our recipes, please feel free to post it on our Facebook page. Right? Until the next time, guys, we hope you enjoy your chicken. Bye!
You want some?
Yeah. There you go.
I'm ready.